who otherwise would not go to school, who otherwise would not attend class because they do not have something to eat. So, and in this city of Nairobi, I've agreed with the governor. We're going to feed 250,000 kids in the city of Nairobi, especially from the informal settlements when they go to school. We've started that program already. And so, to give hope to many other children out there, and to tell you as people who pay taxes in our country, just know that you will be feeding 4 million of our children, especially in the dry areas of Kenya, in the informal settlements of Kenya, and we are working with governors and others to scale up and see whether we can reach 6 million kids going into the future. I love your passion about young people. I am moved by what you want to do for the young people of Kenya. And it is the very reason why I am ready to pay any price to have a plan on how to create opportunities for the young people of Kenya. Many people were wondering. I have many questions. Why are you pushing this housing agenda? What is these houses? Who told you we need a house? We all have houses. What is this? Good people, I have said it before. I will say it again in church. It wasn't so much about the houses. It was so much about the jobs for the young people of Kenya. We have never had a comprehensive program, deliberate, intentional, to create opportunities for the young people of Kenya to have a job, to have an income. I'm very happy that this time round, we not only have a plan, we have clear interventions, we have money to do it, and we have a clear plan on how to create jobs in the housing program, create jobs in the digital space, create jobs exporting labor, create opportunities in our agro-processing and value addition. That is a plan we intend to make sure that our young people have hope, they have income, they have a future. And Ma'am, as you will be doing the spiritual part in